this video, we're going to learn how to solve these WASSCE math problems. Under 6, let's get started. The first question I have here says if P equals these elements, this Q equals this element, then P intersect Q equals what? So in sets, when you talk about intersection, talking about common values. So in this question, P intersect Q will be what are the common values between elements in set P, elements in set Q. So we have 3 is in P, 3 is not here, so 5 is here in P, 5 is also in Q, 6 is in P, 6 is also in Q. So this will give you the intersection 5 and 6. So the right option is option B. Okay, so it's as simple as this. Okay, so let's look at the next repeated question, which is this one. It says given that P equals D and Q equals D are subsets of universal sets ranging from A to G, find P complement intersect Q. Okay, so now in this question we have, let's get our P complement. Okay, so P complement will be elements in the universal set that are not in set P. So it will be, so we have A in this universal set, there is no A here, there is B here, there is B here. Okay, there is C, there is no C here, there is D, there is D, there is E, there is E, there is F, there is F, there is G, there is no G. So this will give you P complement. Okay, so then our Q is the same thing. We're not asked to find, let me write this way, guys. Okay, so our set Q is still A, C, F, G. So had it been we asked to find Q complement, would have elements in universal set and not in set Q. So now P complement intersect Q will give you what? So we have it will going to give us, there is A, there is common value, there is A, there is C, there is C, there is G, there is G, this is C. So this will be the answer. The right option is option ACG, option B. Okay, so that's it for question 2. Alright, so we are making progress, guys. Remember, we are dealing with repeated questions. So let's solve the next repeated question, which is this one. It says A and B are two sets. The number of elements in A and B is 49. The number in A is set A is 22, and the number in set B is 34. How many elements are in A intersect B? Okay, so it's going to be, to get how many elements in A intersect B, it will be you add the number of elements in set A 22 plus number of elements in set B 34, then subtract it from the union of set between A and B minus 49. Okay, so this is basically what is going to entail. So when you add 22 plus this is going to give you, you're going to have 56 minus 49. Okay, so 56 minus 49 will give you what? 7. Okay, so that will be the answer to this question, option C. Okay, so let's wipe this now. Look at the next repeated question. Alright, so the next repeated question will be this one. So it says if T equals prime numbers and N equals odd numbers are subset of these universal set values ranging from 1 to 10 and X is an integer, find T complement or T prime or T complement as set M prime or M complement. Okay, so prime numbers between 0 and 10. Okay, let's say 1 and 10. We're going to have them to be, guys, know that 1 is not a prime number, 1 is just an odd number. So prime number between 1 and 10, we have it to be 2, 3, 5 is not a prime number. Okay, 5 is a prime number. I have it to be 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 is not a prime number. Okay, so this will give you the prime numbers. Okay, let's not P. okay, prime numbers, whereas the odd numbers, oh, between what we have here, we have it to be 1 is an odd number, 2 is not an odd number, 2, 3, 4 is not an odd number, 4 is an even number. Odd numbers and values are not divisible by 2. Okay, so we have 1, 3, 5. Okay, we have 7, then odd number, then we also have our 9. 9 is an odd number. 9 is not divisible by 2. If you divide 9 by 2, you need to have a point. Okay, when you divide, you shouldn't have a point. That's what it means. Okay, 10 is not an odd number. Okay, 10 is an even number. So you are going to have. Okay, so this is the prime number. This is the odd number. Okay, so remember we have the universal set to be values from 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So remember this t is prime numbers from the question. T equals prime number and m equals odd number. So we are looking for t prime or t complement. So t complement, let me write it here, will be values in, this is the universal set, okay, that are not in the t elements. Okay, so there is, for t complement, we have 1 universal set. There's no 1 in this set t. That's for the prime numbers. We have 1, there is 2, there is 2, there is 2, there is 2, there is 4, there is no 4. Okay, there is 5, there is 5, there is 6, there is no 6, there is 7, there is 8, there is no 8, there is 9, there is no 9, there is 10, there is no 10. So that is for t complement, whereas our m complement will be values in the universal sets that are not in set m. So there is 1, there is 1, there is 2, there is no 2, there is 3, there is 3, there is 4, there is no 4. Okay, there is 5, there is 5, there is 6, there is no 6. Okay, there is 7, there is 7, there is 8, there is no 8, there is 9, there is 9, there is 10, there is no 10. Okay, so therefore our t prime intersect n prime or complements will be, so the common values, there is 4, okay, there is 6, there is 8, and there is 10. So this will be the answer for 6, 8, and 10. The right option is what? Option B. Okay, so now that I can deal with this problem, as simple as this. So let's wipe this now, solve the next repeated question. So guys, next repeated question will be this one. So it says if p equals then q equals a subset of the universal set, find p complement as a q complement. So let's get the p complement will be values in universal set are not in set p. So there is 1 universal set, there is no 1 in set p. There is 1 here, there is 3, there is 2, there is 7, there is no 7, there is 9, there is 9, there is 11, there is 9, 13, there is 13, there is 15, there is no 15. Okay, so this is for p complement. Then for q complement, it will be values in the universal set, not in set q. There is 1, there is no 1, there is 3, there is 2, there is 7, there is 9, there is 9, there is 11, there is no 11, there is 15, there is 15, there is 13, there is no 13. Okay, so pardon, let me write this way, guys. So this is this way, this way. Okay, so the p complement intersect q complement will not be, so common values here we have it to be 1 only. So So this will be the answer 1. Option D will answer this question. So let's wipe this and see the last question. So the last repeated question will be this one. It says if x equals this value ranging from this to and y equals this value ranging from this to and subset of universal set, find x intersect y. So this means values x is to x less than 7. This means the values of x is ranging from, okay, I'll satisfy x intersect y. So values of x is ranging from values from, let's say, 0. Okay, from this option there's no, let's just say ranging from 1 to, it has to be less than 7. 1 to 6, 1 to 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the values of y will be factors of 24. Factors of 24 include values that can divide 24. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 6, and we have 8. Okay. Then we have to find x intersect y. So x intersect y will be the common values. So here we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, and we have 6. Okay, so that would be the answer to this question. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. The right option is option A. So guys, this is basically going to do problems involving set for your WASSCE Maths to practice with 6 or 7 repeated questions in this video. Hope there's something interesting from the video. Let's go with the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know if you want and learn from this video. If you seem to have any space questions as regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also, ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking the join button. You'll be getting payment information that will help you to extend your WASSCE, Maths, and other external exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having known this, click on the screen button and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.